So to sort information or data in a spreadsheet, this is Google, but it is often done the same way in most spreadsheets. The best way to select your data to make sure everything moves and you don't miss a particular column is to use this top block in between the 1 and the A. If you click that, it selects your whole spreadsheet. So that way you're guaranteed, if you forgot and there was data way out to the side or way under the bottom, that everything will move together. I'm just going to get rid of this letter here. So that doesn't sort. Then you're coming up to the word data. And you're selecting your data column. We're going to sort the range that we just selected. From here, we know right up here, we have a header row. That means the name of our columns. We don't want that to move. So we're going to click here. Also, it makes us easier to identify what we're sorting by. So say in this instance, I wanted to sort by my items. I can click the word items. This is going to do it alphabetically from A to Z, or I can switch it around from Z to A. I can add other columns as well to have a multiple sort, like by first then last name. But for now, let's try with one item. You click the word sort. You're going to see now all my bananas are together, my magnolia trees, my tomato plants. It's sorted everything. Another way is if I wanted to know maybe our quantity. I can come up to data, go back to that sort range. And now again, I'm going to select my header row. Now I'm going to say I want to know the quantity, which has the most. So I went from only one magnolia tree here. This person only wanted 2 bananas because maybe I wanted to fill in my smaller orders. I didn't have a lot of stock, or get my bigger orders out of the way. You can go back and you can sort by any one of the columns that you have on your spreadsheet.